everyone? Today we're going back to science. Today we're talking about chemistry. Now, basically this is my favorite thing about chemistry. This is a beaker. This is like one of the main things in chemistry. This holds all your chemicals. And these are my two favorite things. This is a test tube, this is a beaker. Test tubes hold and you test stuff, and what you basically test things in them. So it's like a testing product. And these are chemicals. These are chemicals. These only show a molecule on them. And molecules are basically just atoms. Molecules are just atoms and showing things what they are. So, yeah. And chemicals are made out of everything. And they're made out of everything. They're made out of these chemicals. Really? That sounds stupid. Alright. They're made out of glass. They're made out of microscopes. This one right here. They're made out of beakers. They're made out of safety glasses, headphones, even clothes that you wear. Do you guys even surprised? More surprising, they're even made out of you. Chemicals are made out of you. Here's another test tube. This one has a lid in it, and this one's with water so it can hold storage. Now, these are just teaspoons that you probably use for baking soda or other salt crisps, or just regular liquids. And chemistry, right here. This is one of the main things about chemistry. You stick it in a drink. You stick it in a drink right here, and then you squeeze the top right here. So, now that is hold it. So now if you squeeze it, I might have not done that right. Let me try it again. Alright, now if you squeeze it again, look closely. It squeezes it out. It doesn't always look like this. It can look like other stuff. Like, I don't know. It probably shows millimeters in it, though. Now, so do beakers. Beakers also show millimeters right now. And right now, the liquid in this container it's not water, but the liquid in this container looks like it's about 34 millimeters high. So, look at 34, not 35. It looks like it's half, but it's really not. And that's a lot of chemistry stuff. This is something about chemistry. Right here. This is another chemical. Top was cut off all the way, so you can't really see what the chemical is called, but you know, that's how it is. And all these chemicals are made out of elements. These elements are made out of atoms. And you probably know what an atom is already, but let me just tell you a bit more details about it. Atoms are basically they're in everything. Completely everything. They're like matter. They're made out of everything, but besides plasma. But there's still atoms in plasma, I believe, so atoms, people think that they are the smallest thing ever in the universe. Well, let's just say you guys are incorrect. The smallest things ever in the universe are actually what's made of atoms, and that's protons, neutrons, and let me guess, electrons. Electrons are basically electricity. Like if you ever felt a shock on something, Well, the electrons on the atom, the neutrons and the protons are in the center of the atoms, and the electrons are circling all around the atom. And when you ever feel a shock, this doesn't do a shock, but whenever you touch something and you feel this little zap in between your finger, that's because the electrons are jumping from the atom that on your finger to the atom on whatever you touched, and those are those are atoms. And elements are basically you can create molecules with elements, and if I can just show you quickly right here. When I was about this was about made March, I made this whole entire atom. It's kind of molecule. It's kind of hard to see, but if you ever heard of H2O, well, if you know what it is, try guessing. Alright, it's water. The answer is water. That's what it is. So, and yeah, that's a whole entire molecule that I made. It took me about a few days. Yeah, and also about chemistry. This is medicine. I have asthma, so I have to take my breathing treatment. So these are the medicines that you put in, so it it makes the machine running. And chemistry is one of the most important things, because if you didn't have medicine, many other people would be dying right now. Ow. And when I grow up, I've always wanted to become a chemist. Hey guys, want to do something fun? I can leave this one a surprise. So I'm going to bring you outside for a bit, okay? Dad? Owen, tell Dad I'm going to be outside doing some experiments. Alright guys. Alright. Now this can be a really bright. So tell me if you guys can see or not. But let me bring you in the shade here. Alright. Right now, you want to have parent supervision while you're doing this out here, but I'm mixing vinegar with baking soda. And if you mix those two together, you're going to get carbon dioxide gas. So, let's try it out. Alright. So this right here, this is vinegar. And look it's fizzing up. Look at that, it's carbon dioxide gas. It's all the stuff. See, chemicals are pretty dangerous actually, because so yeah, that's what you get when you mix vinegar and baking soda. Okay, guys, I'll see you all next time for science, or just for regular one of my regular YouTube channels. See you guys next time.